So what if you have done some major feature changes in a code, be it Python code, be it Next.js or be it React.js, any such type of code or any such type of features you must have added in a code. But now you have to send this file to the project which you have just cloned with the help of GitHub repo. And then your project admin suddenly says that yes, you can send this project or this type of advanced file which you have just coded right now by raising a pull request, and then you are stuck over there by just with one thought, like what exactly is pull request, and I don't know how to raise a pull request because I have heard this kind of word for the first time in my life, right? So hello everyone, I'm Sanskriti Kadam, and today's video is going to be on the same topic about how to raise a pull request in open source. So let's get started. So you can connect with me on LinkedIn, on Linktree, and this video will be obviously posted officially on IntelligenZ Talks. And this is my GitHub where I will show you a hands-on, a live demo of how to raise a PR or how to change a branch when you are trying to raise a PR to the particular project. Okay, and how it is being shown to the to the project admin or to the mentor, and how they see it, everything in detail in this whole video. So stay tuned for the hands-on and the live type of coding stuff which I will be showing you right now currently in this kind of video. So if you are contributing to any of the open sources, be it GSSoC, GSoC, whatever, now we need to understand how to create a pull request, right? Because that is where your points are counted once it gets approved and merged by the actual project admin who is doing so. So a PR shows that you have contributed to the real projects, worked with a team, and also you have been following the Git and GitHub workflow. Also fix the bugs and add the features professionally, right? So most beginners like us, we get stuck in PR कैसे बनाते हैं. So here's the full breakdown. If you are needed about all those kind of videos, like let's say DSA or development, what is the difference between them, also the hackathons, and also GSSoC and the Discord walk through tutorial. So here is a video which I have made upon, and you can just click on those videos and get it started. Okay, so first is, what is pull request? A pull request is a request that is used to merge your changes into another branch or repository. It is used when you fix the bugs or add some features or improve the documentation, mainly the README files, or contribute to some open source repos based on the description. Like, so it builds your GitHub profile, it builds your credibility, it shows how much you have contributed, and it also helps you to stand out, to get internships and referrals from your mentors, from your project admins, or whoever you would be getting from. Also, not only that, you also get merchandises and everything. Let's say there's top 10, and if your PRs are getting merged, successfully merged, in fact, with no conflicts, with no major changes, with no such things, then and your points get counted and your points get added to the leaderboard. And that is how you can climb up the ladders uh, slowly and steadily and come to the top 10 or top 50 of GSSoC type of open source. Okay. So here there are some of the steps to raise a pull request. I will show you a practical demo right now. Like first, the rule number one is that there is a one branch and you can raise only one PR. Like for example, if you are having a main branch, okay, from the main branch you're trying to make a different branch, that is a dev branch. So you can raise only one PR only on that dev branch. If you try to raise another PR, then the changes which were there in the earlier PR plus the changes which you have in your current PR will get combined, and it will again show you that it's a one PR itself. but just the commit message will be changed. So if you want to make another PR, you need to create a new branch. Okay. So step 0, clone and create branches. Well, I will directly show you over here. This is my cursor and this is a command line. Now how to get the command line? Here you can see I have already git clone the project. Now if someone is getting a bit of confusion between git clone and git init, so I will mention over there here is that when you git clone any git project, it is already initialized. So how it will show you that it is already initialized, it's over here. Like you can see there is a master dev branch, master branch, and there's one more branch that is my dex. Okay, but if you are you are doing you're creating a folder of the same name of the GitHub repo which is having the same name, right, on your own local file explorer, then what happens is and then if you open your cursor and then you type git init, only then it will get initialized. Well, I will show you how it is done. Here I have already cloned the project so as to save time, and if you want to run this command you just need to do Windows R, and here you can see it's CMD. Okay, and once you click OK, here it opens something like this. If you want to put in a certain folder, just do cd down downloads. So here you come into a folder named as downloads. Yeah. Okay. So after cloning the project, the whole the cursor or the Visual Studio Code, it looks something like this when you open the project. Here this is a branch as you can see. So let me open a readme file over here. Like I will show you what type of things we can do. Okay. So this is a readme file and I want to make a changes to that. But before that, I need to check out to a branch. So I will do, I will open the terminal and I will write versus git clone which we have done. Now git pull origin main. This is done because whatever the changes you would have done in the main branch, it will automatically get updated in your own folder, right? Without you doing much uh, problem into manually copy pasting the changes. Okay, so let me do git pull origin main. This is my main branch. So as you can see, couldn't find a remote ref main. It's right. Now let me do master. Yes. So now why did this happen? Because there is no branch called as main. No branch named as main over here. Okay. But there's a master where I'm putting all my own code. So I will do git pull origin master. Now git checkout dash b. Now when it comes to get checkout dash b, so this dash b means you need to create a new branch. But when you remove this part, it means there is a branch already existing and you are just changing to the next branch. Like for example, if I want to change from master till dev branch, so how it will be done? Get checkout dev. Okay, so as you can see, it's given that it has been switched dev and switched to a new branch that is dev. Like here you can see it's dev. And if I want to create a new branch, I will just type the above with dash b means I want to create a new branch, and here I will write production. Okay, now switch to a new branch, like there is a new branch that is created. Earlier you saw that there was no branch which was named as production, but now I have created a new branch and I have also switched to that branch where I can push my changes. Okay, so after doing this, well, it's called as a feature branch. Now make your changes and commit. Like let me do some changes in the readme file. For example, Here you can go to this part and you can check whatever changes you have done. Like if I want to put a line over here, like this is a GSSoC project. This is a GSSoC project made by this ANSRIT Sanskriti Kadam. Yes. Well, this is my name. Okay. So this is one line which I have added. If you want to see the changes, just double click on the right side. And if you are having this issue, you can just do control minus and you can see the whole things. Like you can see the distinguish, like this is the earlier code which it was, and this is the changes which I have recently added in the readme file. Here it is being shown in a green, this green color. Suppose I come here and if I also edit this part like project admin for this project. Okay. And I come over here to the working tree. See, this shows that this was the original code and this was the updated code, the green ones and the red ones. Well, I have already made the changes to the project. Now the next command is git add git commit dash m and push origin to the feature branch, means to the current branch. Okay. Now let me do git add git space add. Make sure that you are putting a space after add or else it won't accept. Git space add. So here it is being committed. You can see over here. Now the changes have been staged. Git commit dash m. This is important because here you are typing the final message. Here the message should be descriptive. It shouldn't be like just like ABCD. It should be based on what you have, what changes you have done. So basically, I have done here changes about like it is for the project and all. So this is a GSSoC project made by Sanskriti Kadam and project admin for this project. So let me be clear. The something like this. You can also make use of GPT if you want, like over here. If you control C, okay, and if you put over here and you just write here, give me a proper commit message which is descriptive and short. And I have hit enter. So let us see what type of message it gives. Yes. Well, it is being given over here like state changes and everything. Uh, Let it be. I don't think it is going to answer, but mostly it answers. Okay. Okay, let me try once more. Now give me a commit message that is short and descriptive. So here you can see this chat is trying to make sure that you are able to understand, that chat is able to understand what you have done. So as you can see, add project, this. So it has given you a proper thing. So here docs means updated readme with project attribution and admin section. So this is what you can copy paste here. Here you can see one file change, two insertions done, well the commit message has gone. Now to raise a PR, you will do git pull origin. The feature branch name is production, not main or master. Okay, you need to check the branch over here. So now you can see this remote. I couldn't find a remote production. Maybe I have done some error with full origin. Let me do this. Okay, so if you don't mention the branch name, this is what it will come. Well, if this happens, then what you have to do is do this and just add to chat. And let's see what it gives us. Okay, so it has given us something like this. So let's see. Let's copy paste and do it. Okay. So next you have to check your current branch and available branches. Here it is, here must and production. So we are currently in the production, so it will show you the star ones. Then if you meant to pull from main or master branch instead, okay. So let me do this. If you want to create and push to a new productive branch. Okay. Let me take this one then. Okay, so let us see what happens. When you get full origin master, it will give you the original ones. Yes, already up to date, right? So now let's copy paste this one and let's see. Sorry. Like you can see on branch production, nothing to commit, working clean. Okay, so now it will show you what to do. Now it will run this part. Git push dash u origin production. So this is how it will run if you enter such kind of errors. Okay, so now we have done the PR now. Okay, so you see here it's been given. Now the push was successful. Here's what happened. Successfully pushed to remote. Yes, now your branch has been created on the remote repository is now set up and it suggesting you to create a pull request if needed. So if you want, you can create a pull request later. So this is a pull request again, as you can see. Besides, with the help of this, it is able to do the pull request. What were the commands? Again the same. Git status was there. Then you have to do git push dash u origin production. Okay. So let me do over here. Let us see what happens over here. Yes, it is now up to date. As you can see, it is set up to track this production. Let's move on to the GitHub repo. So this is the GitHub repo which I had cloned. You have just need to copy. You just need to copy this thing and do good print. Now, after committing your changes and then pushing the changes, uh, this is somewhat how it will look. Compare and pull request. As a person, you will write all these things. Add a description. It is already added, and then add a title. Now next, after that, how you can understand where to put. Suppose the project admin is telling you to that he wants to merge in the dev branch. So this is what you need to understand. This part you need to make sure that this is your current branch, that is a feature branch which you created, and this is a branch where you are asked to push your changes. Now, these branch are automatically created. I will show you that as well, adding a title description. This is a part which you can see what is being changed. This was added and this part was changed, like the project admin was changed to project admin for the project. Okay, we can see how many files you have done. So let us create a pull request. Here you can see now it is created the pull request. All the checks have passed and everything. There is no conflicts and everything. Now, as a contributor, when this kind of button comes, you don't have to merge the pull request. Okay, it will be done directly by the project admin. So if you do this, and then it will be very problematic, because if the uh, project admin sees this part, it will be very problematic for you. This shows there is one file that is changed. So there is only one commit which is done with this kind of message, and the checks is done, which will show you this is how the check has been done. Okay, this is a conversation part. Now this is how the pull request gets raised, and finally it will show you in this pull request tab. See over here. Now this shows that this is an open pull request. For example, if a project admin, like I was a project admin, and now this part I'm viewing as a project admin, and now when I see this, the changes are quite okay, and now I merge this pull request. Like this has been merged and everything. I'll just do confirm merge. Okay, so once it's merged, it will show you a purple color by naming that it has been merged. And here, if you go, see, Dave has some certain pushes less than a minute ago. So this is what I will see. As a project admin, I will see that. Now it is from Dev to master. As a project admin, I can see that Dev changes were there. Now I will push it to the master branch. Okay, so what is being changed? This is being changed. So I will write again docs readme changed. Okay, and next I will just create a pull request. Again, I will do this everything as a project admin, and I will merge it from my side. Well, I will show you how it looks. Okay, so this is a merge pull request from this things. Now if I go to the project again, and if I switch from okay, I will show you the master branch. See, merge pull request, this part. If I go down, see, this has been added, right? Now let me show you production branch. See, this is a project production branch. Here you can see there are two commits behind. Okay, so here you can see this has been added. So this is how it is very simple to create a pull request and to commit your message. And if it happens that you are not able to perform quickly, you can make use of the left side chat which is being given by the cursor, unlike Visual Studio Code, whereas Visual Studio Code is having Copilot. So on GitHub, this feature branch means the production, means the this type of branch which I made just right now in front of you. This is a feature branch which I made from the dev branch. As okay, so this is part of things which we need to understand. So this is how it is required by the project as per the PI, means project admin. So starting a new PR after merge. Now this is how it will show you. Okay, so if you want to get the updated, changes, as you can see, when you go over here and you go to the dev branch, as you can see, there is no changes which is being pulled from the dev branch, whereas it is being reflected on the GitHub that the changes have been made. So this command will help you. First, you need to check out. Actually, you have already checked out to the dev branch. How you can see? This is how you can see. And if you want, you can also, instead of writing me full, let me show you like this only. You can just click on the upper arrow of your own keyboard and see you are already on the branch. Okay, now next it will be pull, git pull origin dev. So if I do this, okay, so here I have got the changes back in my own local folder, and you can see also what is being changed into insertions. So this is how you can even play with the Git and GitHub. So when you have to rename a branch, if you want to do that, well, I will also show you. Okay, so git push origin, then new branch. If you want to rename a branch, let me copy paste this part. And okay, so if you click over here, if I want to rename the same production branch, production to prod, then what happens? Let's see. Okay, so let's do git checkout prod. Here you have switched to a branch that is prod. Yes. Now, if you click on here, you can see there are branches which is being made. What dev, prod, master. Earlier it was showing production, but now it is being renamed to prod. Okay. So that is how it will be showing you. Now, what is a merge conflict, right? So, as we saw in this project, there was no conflict which was there while we raised a PR, right? But if it happens, then why it happens? It happens due to some of the reasons. Like there are two people who are editing the same file at the same or the same line at the same time, or your branch is not updated. Like as I told you, if you follow these commands which I have given over here, while I will be posting this kind of document in the comment section of this video, if you don't make use of this kind of the step 2 part, like after starting a new PR, then after merge again you need to do this. Okay, so if you don't check out to that branch, like check out to the dev branch or any type of branch, and again if you don't execute these kind of commands like git pull origin dev or git pull origin any type of branch you are doing, this is done because you get the updated changes which was there in the GitHub after PR has been merged successfully and the changes have been done by the people. So your branch is not updated with the latest project, someone merges before you. Yes, if someone merges before you and if they are having some conflict and then you raise a PR, and if then it will also generate a conflict. If it is being merged, if that PR has been merged after solving and something like that. Okay, so what is the solution? You need to pull the latest changes. That is, you need to copy paste this kind of commands. Like first, you need to check out to the branch, then you need to pull the changes by get pull origin branch name, and then you need to again check out to the branch if you want to do so. This third part, this third line is optional, but the first two is very mandatory. Check out and pull command. Okay. So tools to practice the PRs, it's the GitHub desktop for beginners. Also, you can go on, GitHub repos. You can clone those repos on GSSoC websites, and you can also make use of VS code source control or cursor. And open source repos are also there. That is from GSSoC and a lot of them. Okay. So, why PRs matter for your career? Yes, because it helps you to get a hands-on experience on Git and GitHub as I shown just right now, and it is very important in today's industry if you are working in a company or so, right? And then it also helps you to show your real-world skills and your contribution. It helps to improve your resume and GitHub. So open source work, it also helps you to get recognized with everything, and it can help you get jobs or internships or referrals, and collaboration also, that you can show that you have worked in team. So final note is that PR means safe code you need to upload. Okay, then it's collaboration and communication. The rest is the skills which I have shown you right now. You can also perform the same. And how to make use of AI in the current generation, if you want to do that, make sure to install cursor and get it started. Whereas you can also make use of VS code and do the needful by using Copilot, but I would prefer for you all to make use of cursor itself, because it will also show you any recommendation if it needs to. Well, you just try to explore that part, right? So start small, like fix the typos, improve the readme, and then contribute the features if you want to do so. Use GSSoC as your brand building, as a skin building opportunity, everything. And your first PR is your first real world development. So make sure you are uh, trying your best to create your first PR, even when it takes a longer time. Even I had done so. So you can do it. So stay updated with more such career tips and project insights and hands-on project videos and those kind of guided videos which will help you to get it started in this new industry and in this new era by subscribing to our channel. So well, I will show you. This is my link tree. And if you want, you can ask me directly via this chatbot, which I have trained by myself, like what this intelligence talks is all about, which is my channel where I will be posting this video. So it will show you the whole part and who I am. Here you can see, and my co-founder, that is Yashisha, is also there. What we do is we are based on 3 pillars: career guidance, unfiltered tech podcast, and hands-on project videos and guidance. You can connect with us on those kind of platforms. Okay. So if you want to, this is a playlist where I keep updated with the rest of the videos, as you can see. Okay, win crossed 1K and 1.2K. If you want any services, you can book over here by giving whatever money you want to give. And this is my LinkedIn profile. Well, you can go and connect with me, and this is how I look. So teach, learn, evolve is my mantra, and see you in the next video. Thank you.